Hey viewers, welcome back to Craftside. We all have learned about planets and we know about them.
And of course, we all know about the Earth too. The action of rotating about an axis or center is called rotation. The Earth completes one rotation in 24 hours, but we don't feel the Earth moving. Have you ever wondered why? Okay, so in today's video, we're going to discuss about why don't we feel the Earth moving? By the way, do you know why does the Earth keep spinning?
I'll tell you. Earth spins because of the way it was formed. The solar system formed about 4.6 billion years ago when a huge cloud of gas and dust started to collapse under its own gravity. As the cloud collapsed, it started to spin. But how can the Earth stop spinning? The Earth keeps on spinning because there are no forces attracting to stop it.
As we all know, the Earth moves very fast. It moves at about 1000 miles per hour. That means 1600 kilometers per hour. We don't feel it moving because it is always moving at a constant speed. If the Earth spins a bit faster and slower, we can feel the movement of the Earth. So as we knew today why we don't feel the Earth spinning, comment and let us know what you would like us to make next. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Craftside.
Thank you.